probably my earliest memories are going for a walk with Zadie, and he would take me down to the corner. There was a drugstore on the corner, and I only remember buying two things there. One was these pretzel sticks, and the other were pink Spalding balls that we probably lost like every time we went there, so we had to buy more of them. So, but each time we only bought one. So, but we used to play. I think we used to play either some version of handball against the garage door outside, or something. They were probably more suited for stickball, but there wasn't any space to play stickball. So, and I remember walking down the street with him, and the kids, there were kids all over. I mean, there were kids all over the street, a lot of families, and he was like totally like popular. I mean, the kids would run after him. He would, and the reason that probably one reason they were doing this was he handed out candy, which in retrospect was a pretty strange thing for a dentist to be doing. So, but you know, he liked the kids. Kids liked him, and he got enjoyment out of that. Made me sort of feel proud. Oh, look at all these kids really love my grandfather. So that was one thing that I remember doing. I mean, there was another time we went. My Bobby drove Zadie and me to some place where he was going to talk to somebody about turning The Wandering Beggar into a play. And so Bobby didn't sit in on the meeting for some reason, but I did. And basically, I think the upshot of it was this guy said, no, this isn't really going to work for a play. And so we left. Bobby picks us up, and Zadie starts to say relate what happened in the meeting. She says, well, he's sort of probably right about that. This turned into a major fight, and the two of them are screaming at each other. As she's driving the car, they're screaming at each other. I'm sitting in the back, completely like, what's going on here? And I think I ended up standing up and telling them to stop yelling at each other. They were scaring me or something. So they did, actually. They stopped. But it was clear that he took great offense at her taking this other guy's, side, or at least insinuating that there was some credence to it. I'm sure that was representative of many discussions that they had. The volume got turned up, but then after a while, everything was fine.